with me, Kobe. Wala si Gab. Well, sabi niya, start na daw ng UAAP swimming event. Kaya ayon, he's swimming with the fishes. I mean, competing with players from different schools.
Aleli, wag mo munang masyadong mamiss si Gabs. Kasi for sure namimiss ka din niya. Ganito na ba talaga ka-cheesy ang segment na to?
Aww.
Now let's get down to action. May kasama na naman tayo ulit for this ultimate segment. So let's go and meet our ultimate player for this episode.
I'm a member of the USC Tiger Judokas. Sinubukan ko din mag-taekwondo pero mas nagustuhan ko talaga yung judo dahil meron kayong specific technique na parang unique lang sa sarili nyo. Then ilalaban nyo yun laban sa kung ano man yung technique ng kalaban nyo. Nag-start ako mag-play sa UST noong 2004. Ang mga napapanulong kong medals nun is 2004 and 2005 bronze medal sa National Juniors. 2004 and 2006 sa Mapua, bronze medal din. 2005, nag-silver medal ako sa UPLB Chancellor's Cup. Gold medalist ako nung sa NCR ranking. Ako yung MVP sa judo ng UAAP Season 69 at ako rin ang team captain ng USC Tiger Judokas. Ako si Stephen Lorenzo Herena.
Oh, that is the player pala who will try the ultimate switch.
Ultimately, partner. Sandali. 57 times na yata natin binabanggit ang ultimate. Yun na bang alam nating salita so far?
So far, so good, Kobe. Pero nakakapagsalita pa naman tayo ng ibang salita eh. Kasi, Ultimate Frisbee ang i-feature natin today.
Oh, I see. And Stephen of UST Judokas will not be an exemption sa ating switch of sports ngayon. Sabi na nga ba, hindi mawawala sa segment na to, yun eh. So, enough muna ang lock sa judo. And now we'll have him to experience the ultimate sports.
What is the ultimate sports ba, ha?
Ultimate!
Ano nga yun?
Kakasabi lang kanina, ultimate nga. Well, naguguluhan ka ba? Don't worry dahil magagets mo din yan in a short while.
Coach On?
Good day mga kabarkada! Time first muna! Kobe, Aleli, ganito kasi yan. Saan ba tayo makakakita ng sports na pwede kahit saan? Well, this worldwide sports is self-regulating. Hindi na kailangan ng referee dito. Yes, oh yes, because you call your own fouls. No, hindi yung fouls na yan. Yung ganito. Yeah, this ultimate experience is adopted from Columbia High School in New Jersey. Actually, it is adopted from Frisbee football. Dahil so much fun at free ang larong ito, the term Ultimate Frisbee is always associated with Ultimate Sports Experience. Eventually, na-shortcut ito and became popularly known as Frisbee. But Frisbee is originally the dish na hinahagis-hagis natin at ini-enjoy ito ng ating doggy or pwede rin yung katabi natin, yung kapitbahay natin, o yung taong dinadaan-daanan lang tayo.
It is no shock why it is the ultimate sports experience. You play by your own rules. Ultimately, what can be cooler than that? Sandali, how many times do I have to mention ultimate?
Ultimate, 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 ultimate. Add that. Sana tayo? Mga 149? Talid na!
Time first! Before we reach the 2,000 mark, let's now turn to the switch.
So sa Frisbee, kailangan mag-stretching before tayo maglaro. Matuto ng Frisbee?
Opo.
Bago tayo maglaro, kailangan natin matuto na yung basics. So, ito po yung tinatawag naming disc. Ang basic nito, bago ka makapaglaro, kailangan matuto ka ng throws. So, may dalawang basics po yung throws, yung backhand at yung forehand. So, pag throw mo ng backhand, ganito yung paghawak. Magbe-bend ka forward. Yung right foot natin. Gaganon mo. I-bend mo bend forward yung body mo, tapos i-throw mo siya. Yung forehand, ganito po yung hawak. For long throws, for farther throws, ganito yung hawak. For shorter distance, ganito. Nakita mo yung corner here? Balilagay mo yung daliri mo dito, within the rib. Then your thumb. When you're holding it like that, nakaganon ka. Bend forward pa rin, tapos nakaganon. Ganito yung backhand at forehand. So, pag backhand, ganito. Pag forehand naman, di ba ganito yung hawak? For shorter distance, ganito. Yung stroke, parang ano lang siya, pitik lang. Turuan kita paano mag-catching. May tinatawag silang pancake. Pancake na catch. Ganito. Within here, ganito yung catch mo. Above this level. Pag below, ganun. Usually, yun yung pang may distansya na throws. So, kung ganito tayo kalapit, usually tinotoss lang yun. Ganun. So, yun yung tinatawag na toss.
Nag-enjoy ako sa ginawa ng frisbee kanina. Bagamat nung unang tinitingnan ko mukhang madali, pero nung sinubukan ko na, ang hirap pala.
Ganun talaga pag beginner. Nakita mo yung values na gusto niyang matuto, kaya okay lang.
Hindi pala ganun kadali yung bumato ng disc, pati yung pagsalo, ina-expect ko ng mahirap yun kasi hindi ako coordinated pagdating sa catching.
Ganun din ako nun. Sobrang it really took time para matuto, mag-throws, mag-catch, at lalo na maglaro sa game talaga.
But enjoying siya. Sa tingin ko kahit after nito, subukan ko ulit mag-frisbee kasi nakakatawa throw ng disc. Para maiba naman, para hindi puro tao binabato ko.
Okay talaga yung frisbee, ano? All for the basic joy of play, sportsmanship, and fair play. These are the simplest and most important things about it.
7, 25, 30, kahit buong college nyo pa, laro-laro lang, anytime, anywhere, basta may disc, you can experience the ultimate sports. So, Aleli, nasabi ko ulit, nakain na ba tayo sa ultimate tally board natin? Well, for your comments and suggestion, guys, just log on to this website flashing in front of your screens.